Positrons and electrons are essentially the same thing in the supersymmetry inversion model. The only difference is charge. And rather than seeing them as separate things, if we contemplate the charge surface on the inside versus the outside of the sphere, the electron sphere, with a diameter of 4e to the negative 19, so a radius of 2e to the negative 9, and calculate using 4 pi r squared for the surface area of the sphere, we can determine a number that corresponds to the charge. So we have an area charge relationship for the electron and the positron. The mass of the electron and the positron are identical, their spins are identical, and the only thing that is different is the charge, and there's this membrane, the fine structure constant of the universe, alpha, that separates them. So this model provides a way of, at the singularity, which has been created through that implosive trajectory, where positron electron pairs travel inward down to the singularity, down at a distance apart of 1.6e to the negative 35 of a meter, the Planck length. This model provides a fundamental way of understanding how positron and electron pairs come into being in symmetry. And the reason why I've got 4 rather than in the dualistic plus, minus, and 0, well, that's because of the implosive dark matter and the formation of antihydrogen. So the dark matter particle that originates from the singularity is actually antihydrogen with a neutron and a positron. And the three quarks are 2 down quarks and an up quark and a neutron. And the up and down gives a mirrored symmetry. So the other quark, the other down quark, is positively charged. So it's the same charge as the positron. So how can we go from 2 photons of light to a overall antihydrogen 10H, giving this particular positive +2 state of antihydrogen? I'll talk about the beta decay process, and I'll talk about the inverted symmetry through the singularity. So the electron itself can be converted into a positron if it travels through the singularity. And the singularity within the atom is the place where there is, in the nucleus, no mass, no charge, no space, and no time. And it is within the singularity that we can get the inversion of the electron into the electron -1 charge into the up quark +1. No, into the down quark +1, excuse me. And the positron +1 can change into the up quark -1. So an electron and a down quark are exchangeable, and you get inversion of the charge from the inside to the outside through the singularity within that structure. This is the supersymmetry inversion system that generates quarks from electron and positron pairs, and it is really this beautiful inverted symmetry model of supersymmetry inversion that gives the ability to understand the geometry down at the singularity and where it comes from, that dark matter originating out of the Hebek singularity.